Learn English by listening to Taylor tell you about social anxiety.
Hello, my name is Taylor. I deal with social anxiety. Every day feels like a challenge. I get nervous in so many situations, even the small ones that other people don't think about. Simple things like making eye contact, speaking in a group, or even walking into a room full of people make my heart race. I often feel like everyone is watching me and judging me. I know that's not true. But it doesn't make the fear go away. I always feel nervous at work, especially when I have to talk in meetings. My hands shake and my heart beats fast. When my boss asks me a question, I try to answer, but my voice is quiet. Sometimes, I say something quickly and hope no one asks me more questions. I don't want people to think I don't know what I'm doing, but my anxiety makes it hard to speak. If I have to make a phone call at work, I write down exactly what I need to say beforehand. If someone stops by my desk unexpectedly, I panic and struggle to keep the conversation going. I feel like everyone else is confident and natural, and I wonder why it's so hard for me. When I go out with friends, I worry about saying the wrong thing. If there is a big group, I don't talk much. I listen and laugh when other people talk, but I don't say my own thoughts. What if they think I'm boring? What if I say something stupid? I replay conversations in my head later and feel embarrassed. Even if no one said anything bad to me, even with close friends, I sometimes feel awkward. If there is silence in the conversation, I get anxious and feel like I have to fill it, but I don't know what to say. It's exhausting trying to seem normal when my mind is racing with worries. Meeting new people is the worst. When someone introduces me to a new person, I don't know what to say. I smile and say, "Nice to meet you." But after that, my mind goes blank. Should I ask a question? What if I ask something weird? I don't want to look rude, but I also don't want to talk too much. It's stressful. If I'm at a party or a networking event, I stick to the edges of the room, avoiding eye contact, hoping no one will start a conversation with me. If someone does, I feel my face get hot, and I struggle to keep the conversation going. I worry about running out of things to say and making the interaction awkward. I often rehearse what I'm going to say before speaking, but if the conversation doesn't go as planned, I get flustered and want to escape. Even ordering food makes me anxious. When I go to a restaurant, I read the menu many times before I order. When the waiter comes, I feel my face get hot. I practice what I want to say in my head. If they ask me a question I didn't expect, I freeze for a second. I feel so awkward. I don't want to make a mistake or look silly. If I have to order over the phone, I write down exactly what I want to say. If I'm at a coffee shop and the barista asks how my day is, I panic and just say good quickly. I worry about holding up the line or saying something that makes me look dumb. It's something other people do without thinking, but for me, it's a big challenge. Sometimes, I avoid situations because of my anxiety. I don't go to parties because I don't know how to talk to people. I even wait for another elevator if there is already someone inside. If I have to ask an employee for help in a store, I rehearse what I'm going to say in my head, but often just walk away without asking because I feel too nervous. Even texting someone can be stressful. I reread my message many times before sending it, and if they take too long to reply, I start to worry that I said something wrong. I know my fears are not logical. I know people don't care if I say something small or make a mistake, but my body reacts like I am in danger. My heart races, my hands sweat, and I just want to run away. I feel trapped inside my own mind, unable to break free from the endless cycle of overthinking and self-doubt. I see other people speaking easily, laughing, and making connections, and I wonder why it's so difficult for me. I am trying to work on overcoming social anxiety. I tell myself that it's okay to be nervous. I try to breathe slowly and remind myself that people are not judging me. Some days are better than others. Some days are very hard. But I keep trying. I hope one day I will feel more comfortable and not let anxiety control me. Every small step forward is a victory, and I remind myself to appreciate my progress, no matter how slow.